Let's talk about summer foods and drinks. What are summer foods and drinks? Watermelon is a summer food. Ice cream is a summer food. Ice pops are a summer food. Gelato is a summer food. Frozen yogurt is a summer food. Smoothies are a summer drink. Iced coffee is a summer drink. A milkshake is a summer drink. Melon is a summer food. Berries are a summer food. Hot dogs and hamburgers are summer foods. Peaches are a summer food. Tomatoes are a summer food. Salad is a summer food. Bubble tea is a summer drink. Lemonade is a summer drink. Corn is a summer food. Cherries are a summer food. Snow cones are a summer food. Time for questions. Which one is a summer food? What type of vehicle is this? What summer food is this? What summer food is this? What are these cups used for? What is the weather in this video? What is this person making? How much is the watermelon? They are sharing ice cream. Who do you share food with? What is your favorite summer food? What is your favorite summer drink? Keywords to learn.